there, fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review on Hotel Numbi Caravan Park. It's situated on the R40 on the outskirts of central Hazyview in Mpumalanga and on the doorstep of the Kruger National Park. We've driven past many times, but I was unprepared for what lies behind their gates. It's tar all the way to the entrance, with the internal roads being paved and one circular route in the caravan park that is hard-packed gravel. On arrival, you'll be led through the security gate and then turn right to get to reception to book in. It's not a huge car park and there is no through road, so owners of long or larger vehicles might prefer to park at the entrance and take a shady walk to reception. The entire property is fenced with access control and there are roving security patrols, especially at night. When you're booking in, there's no doubt you'll raise an eyebrow at the level of road noise as you are on a busy R40. But the noise level is hugely muted in the caravan park, and it did not cause us any disturbance at all. We did expect to hear tavern music and general city noise throughout the weekend, and we were actually amazed at just how little noise there was coming from the surrounding areas. The campsites are set under large shady trees, many being jacarandas. The sites do vary in size and appropriateness for caravans, trailers or tents, depending on their accessibility. No matter the type of camping setup you have, there will be a spot that works for you. Sites are on a mixture of grass and bare ground. The bare ground is mainly due to heavy use by vehicles and the shade, and not due to the neglect on behalf of the gardening staff. The gardens throughout the property are beautifully maintained, and overall, the sprawling complex is clean, neat, and kept to a high standard. The sites are all serviced by a power point, some being the 3-pin domestic type plug and others using the caravan type adapter, so just be sure that you bring your adapter with you. There is a fixed scuttle type braai and grid on each site with a tap and a dustbin. There are very well maintained, reasonably modern and clean ladies and gents ablution blocks. The ladies sport 6 complete spacious bathrooms, each comprising a toilet, hand basin and a large shower. At the end of the building there is a bathroom with a bath rather than a shower, a toilet and a hand basin. And along most of the length of the building there is a counter with mirrors and plugs. In the gents, the toilets are separate from the showers and hand basins, and it has the usual urinals. In the block housing the gents ablution, there is a wheelchair and disabled-friendly bathroom upper ramp, which has many handrails to assist the infirm and elderly. Toilet paper is supplied, but there is no hand soap or hand-drying towels. There was plenty of hot water in the showers, and pressure was good. At the entrance to the ladies' ablution, there is a large room for ironing and a scullery for washing dishes. Although I did see one plug, it's always a good idea to take your own along. There is a large communal fridge which camping guests can use. At the end of the ladies' ablution is an area for hand laundry and the hanging of washing. There is also a porta potty dump site and a hose for cleaning cassettes. If you're looking to cool off, there are 3 pools, one near the caravan park, another in the main reception area, and yet another along the pathway that meanders through the boutique hotel complex. There are 2 restaurants on the premises and 2 pool bars, one servicing the main hotel area and the other the boutique hotel. Only breakfast and dinner is on offer, but the hotel does offer a popular Sunday carvery at lunchtime. Depending on the number of guests in the hotel, the menus can range from a la carte to buffet to a set menu. There is a spa on the property, and it's certainly worth your while to take a stroll through the gardens and the walkways. The koi ponds are beautifully maintained in shady gardens with friendly staff. There is a variety of hotel accommodation for anyone not wanting to camp. In the campsite, there is an exclusive area for large overland safari operators. Now, the campsite is not pet-friendly, but there are a number of well-fed house cats around that help to keep the rodent population at bay. There are also some opportunistic monkeys that pass through the caravan park, but they did keep their distance when we were in camp. Accessing the internet was a breeze. The tower is literally on the boundary of the caravan park. We exclusively used our MTN router as it worked seamlessly, but I have no doubt that Vodacom would have been equally up to the task. Within 2 blocks of Hotel Numbi, there are 2 large shopping centres, one with a Woolworths food store and a Checkers, and the other with a Spar, Pick n Pay and ShopRite. Between these 2 centres, you will find most retail outlets popular in South Africa. And a little further out on the R40 is the popular Perry's Bridge with its casual dining restaurants and speciality shops. Hotel Numbi is the ideal overnight stop for those wanting to arrive or leave the Kruger Park early or late. It's about 13 kilometers to the Phabeni gate and 50 kilometers to the Paul Kruger gate. It's a gateway to many of the popular tourist destinations such as Sabi, Graskop, Blyde River, God's Window and more. Hotel Numbi was a surprisingly pleasant stay for us, being in a busy town, and we would happily stay there again. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, be well, and I hope to catch you in a campsite sometime.